This is how you can restore contacts and deleted phone numbers on the Android device. Let me show you how it would work. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course we can get inside the contacts application. I'm using this one right here, made by Samsung on my Samsung phone. And whenever I have a contact in here, which I can perhaps hold down on and click on the delete, right, it's going to be like removed. So yeah, it's not appearing on my list anymore, but I can still restore it if I tap on the three lines. That is actually my account, but if I click on the three lines like this and go to the trash folder, and part of the trash, we can see the Bob, right, which I deleted, and I can hold it down on it and click on restore, right? So you can see there is nothing in the trash anymore, and the Bob contact, which is actually duplicate, has reappeared right here. So that is how you can restore the deleted numbers. So that is the basic approach, right? But we can go a little bit deeper than that. First of all, you might also have different contacts application, right? Like I do have one from Samsung as well as from Google in here. In Google, it might work a little bit different, but the principle is going to be kind of similar, right? You should also have the ability to see the trash folder, right, if you delete something. But in here you can also switch between the different Google accounts, and also it's possible that you have the contacts stored somewhere else. So using this application, you can kind of like switch between the accounts, and you can access the contacts which you have probably stored by somewhere else, right? So that's something that you can definitely do. Outside of that, you should also look up your phone files app. So if I go in here, I can go to the My Files, and I would also look for the vCard file format, right? So if I search for VCF, I can search, and I actually have a couple of contacts cards, like contact files. The VCF is actually a file format which stores contacts. No matter if you export them from the iPhone or from the Google account or anywhere else, this is like the universal file format which stores them. And if you have ever performed a backup, or it's worth giving a try to see if you don't have them backed up in here, because if I do, I will have the ability to import those stored in here. You can see all of them are stored, and I can import them into my main contacts app. So that's like the whole point. If they disappeared from the contacts app, try to see if you don't have the file with them somewhere around your phone. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it and explain how it would work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.